Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool. So we have made around 200 more than videos for AI tools for research. So I don't know how I missed this such a wonderful tool for literature review, and it acts as a search engine to make better references for your research paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So before going to that AI tool, important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI toolbox. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize with all the different AI tools used for research paper preparation, and also we are going to explore different types of ChatGPT prompts which will be very useful for research paper preparation. So many of the questions are asking now how to get rid of AI detection. So there are some AI detector tools. So how to use that AI detector tools to get rid of AI plagiarism, and also we are going to explore different paraphrasing tools to get rid of AI reduction. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the workshop will be given in the description of the video. So see you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop on advanced control and energy system modeling. So this workshop is the main objective of this workshop is to design a DC to DC converter with PID controller, and how to tune that PID controller and what are the important steps to be taken while tuning PID controller. And also we are going to make grid connected PV system, and how to connect that grid connected PV system to EV charging station. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this live MATLAB workshop. We are going to explore all the models with the hands-on as like hands-on training. So don't forget to register this MATLAB workshop. The link of the workshop will be given in the description of this video. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that 𝐸𝐧𝐵. So it is a fantastic AI tool to find the best references for your research paper and also to make a better literature review. So just to log on this AI tool. So I have already logged in. So you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So here you will be having different options like new collection, new category, connect to Zotero. So like that different options are there. So in order to find papers, so first you have to search the papers. So first click on that add papers. So here you can add, that is you can search a paper in terms of title, DOI number or keywords. So whatever you want you can type. So thereby you can give a title or a specific area. For example, say I am going to give it as a multi-port converters. So after giving multi-port converters, click on search. So here you will be having different options. So the paper will be generated. So here a recent paper is generated. So novel family of high gain non-isolated multiport converter is bipolar symmetric output for DC microgrids. So like that it will generate different papers. For example, say I am going to select this paper and click on add to collection. So after that this is add to our collection account. So you can give a name for that particular collection also. So here untitled collection you can name here. So for example, say if you are searching a category related with multiport converter, means you can give a name called multiport converters. So like that you can give. So after that click on that particular paper. So you will be getting a detailed that is you can see here. So novel family of high gain non-isolated multiport converters, bipolar symmetric outputs for DC microgrids. So here you will be having the abstract of a particular paper. So here you can see if the paper can be downloaded. Here option is enabled, that is PDF. So you can download here itself. Here no PDF, so you cannot able to download the paper. So after that, what are the other important options available in this 𝐸𝐧𝐵 is that, so here in order to find a most relevant paper related with the particular work, so you have to click on this similar work. So here you can click on the similar work. So you will be getting a different papers related with the particular work. So you can see here. So multi converter medium voltage DC power system on ships constant power and instability solution. So like that different paper will be generated. So here and also it will form map. So here zoom in. So here if you zoomed in you will be getting a map like this. So the most relevant paper related with that particular work. So you can click on just a click, it's enough. So you can see the paper title and abstract. So like that you can So click on that paper, so and you can analyze the paper. So here you can see, for example, say, so the operation of full bridge 3-level DC to DC converter in unbalanced bipolar DC to DC microgrid. So in order to download that paper, so click on this PDF option. So automatically the paper will start to download. So thereby you can make a folder and make a list of references also. So I am going to open. See, here you can see this is the paper we have downloaded. Operation of the full bridge 3-level DC to DC converter in unbalanced bipolar DC microgrids. So here, and also you can find all the most relevant papers related with that particular topic. So it will be a better option. And also you can see the timeline. So this is important thing. So mostly you can select your references as a recent references you can select. So in this timeline you can see the papers in 2022. So after the 2020, so here you will be getting a better view. So this will be 2021, 2020, 19. So like that it will form a timeline, so which will be very helpful for you to select the recent reference papers. So this is an important option in this Research Rabbit. So there are many tools which forms a map like this. For example, say connected papers iris AA. So you cannot find a better timeline there. So you have to select by graph itself you have to select. So here this timeline will helps you to identify the most recent reference papers. So thereby you can get an easy idea. So this is similar work. Next you can see earlier works. So after that later work, the authors, how these authors are connected. So like that their author details, so on their profile also you can view easily here. So like that in this Research Rabbit you can analyze the reference papers better, and also you can find the most relevant reference papers for your literature review. So this will be a fantastic option to search papers very better. Okay, next moving on to the next thing. Here you can see, so this is the main page you have. So after that you can here you can make a comment. So for that particular paper, for example, say if you take a valid points or you have to make a comment on a paper, so you can make a comment on the paper also. So here this is the abstract for the paper. So like that you can search many number of papers and you can add in your profile. So like that you can make use of this option. For example, say a common reference must be added to two different topics. So you are doing a project in multi-port converters as well as a DC to DC converter, means the same reference can be added in two collections. So here you can see add this paper, so add to another collection. So this paper can be added. So after that you can connect it with Zotero. So you can connect with this Zotero also. So you can click on that option, so and give login and password, and you can collect you can connect with it Zotero and you can import that file. So after that you can export using BibTeX. So here you can see, so like that you can bib as a bib file, so you can open. So like that you can download or you can save these files. So and you can analyze the paper very better. So like that you can make use of this option in this Research Rabbit to analyze, to search and make a better papers for your research article. And also you can analyze the references and you can select the most relevant reference paper for your research work. So you can import it that Zotero. So most of the people use Zotero for referencing, that is citing. So you can make use of this option also. So go on and explore this Research Rabbit. This is one of the important tool which you can avail for free. So in most of the cases of this tools like iris connected papers, so you will be charged after 10 or 12 graphs or 15 graphs, or it may be limited for 10 graphs or monthly, like that. So here you can use it for free. So here also you can enable option called public collection. So it will show the collection of your papers also. So like that you can make use of this research rabbit and make your research article writing simple and make a easy literature review using this research rabbit. So hope this video will bring an aware about research rabbit. So go on and explore research rabbit. If you have any questions in this research rabbit, don't forget to comment in our comment section. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.